Now I can tell y'all, I'm a vegetable eater, and so is Mr. Brown. And we love to take root vegetables out of the garden, greens like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, anything like that. And we just love to roast them. Roasting a vegetable just brings out the best flavor. And we love to do it, and most of the time I'll try to make a big old pan full of it because I like the leftovers too. But today's video is about roasting vegetables. A lot of people haven't done it, don't really know what to roast, what kind of vegetables, how long to roast it, what do you mix it with, what kind of seasonings can you put on it. And when it comes to seasonings, I say put on any kind that you like, because make it your own. But we're going to be roasting vegetables, and I'm just going to be roasting what I've got in the refrigerator. So there's all kinds of different kinds. I've got, what I'm going to be roasting tonight is sweet potatoes, carrots, Brussels sprouts, beets. Got some beautiful, beautiful beets. So I got several different things like that, and I'm even going to throw some fruit in there. I'm going to cut up a pear or two to put in there. It's going to be really good. So hang with me and let's roast some vegetables. I want to show you what I've got going on here and what I'm going to be roasting. This right here, I'm even going to add a nice couple pears. That's going to give it a little bit of a sweet taste, and roasted pears taste so good with vegetables. And because I'm going to be cooking a piece of pork, we all know that pears and apples cooked really go good with pork. Of course, I got my beets, sweet potato. This is one garlic clove. I want you to look at that thing. It's huge. And this one right here that I cut chunked up, it was a big one too. I'm going to chunk it up just like this one, and I'm just going to throw it in there with my vegetables. I chunked my onions up. That's a sweet Spanish onion. We love them. Brussels sprouts. We got our different colors of carrots. We're eating the rainbow here, guys. So we're going to get this together, and I'm going to show you what other ingredients we're going to mix up with it before we put it in a pan and put it in the oven. I got a pretty good sized bowl here. This is my bread bowl. And we're just going to throw in our beets and our sweet potatoes and our pears. And I know y'all probably thinking, now there's some of them vegetables that take a little bit longer than others, but I've got them cut up to where I think they'll all cook pretty much done at the same time. Now I'm going to throw my Brussels sprouts and my carrots, and this is a lot for me and Mr. Brown, but he will what we don't eat tonight, he will take to his lunch tomorrow. So trying to eat healthy here as much as we can. I want to put my chunked up onions. And I like to chunk my onions up like this because if you cut them very little, you know, once everything's done, your onions are just going to be cooked to death and you ain't even going to know they're there hardly. Now, my garlic, I'm going to wait on it because once I get all this in my pan, then I just want to kind of throw this over my veggies a little bit. So, let me get my ingredients, olive oil, and different stuff we're going to be putting in our veggies. Okay, let's see what we're going to add here. I've got some olive oil, and we're going to put about half a cup to this many vegetables. I've got some roasted garlic powder. Even though I'm going to put some fresh garlic, I'm going to put a little bit of powder too, because number one, garlic's good for you. Number two, because we love it. I'm going to sprinkle some salt and some pepper. And then I'm going to take some balsamic vinegar. And I'm just going to put a few dashes there. Probably maybe a fourth of a cup. Now we're going to stir this up good. And I can smell that balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is really, it's so good to cook with. And it just gives, you don't want to use a whole bunch of it. Just enough to give it that little special taste there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little bit more salt. Now that I stirred it up, a little bit more pepper. I'm even going to put just a little bit more olive oil. Now, let's get our pan ready. I want y'all to look how pretty that is. You know, that's one thing we tell the kids at school, you know, eat the rainbow, which means, you know, eat the different colors, from your carrots to your beets to just different colors, because they're all nutritious and got good value to them. But this is such a pretty. Now, I'm putting mine in my big cast iron skillet. I poured a little bit more olive oil in the bottom. If y'all don't have one, now y'all don't even have to make this much. You know, this is not really a recipe. This is just showing you how to roast vegetables. So you need to do it in smaller amounts if you need to. But can you look at this, and wouldn't this be beautiful on a Thanksgiving table? So you can do this in a roaster. You could do this, line a sheet pan with some aluminum foil, put a little olive oil on there, toss it around, and cook it like that. Just anything you've got that you can kind of spread them out on. But if you have an iron skillet to roast vegetables in, you'll never roast in anything else, because it just does a wonderful job. And it just kind of caramelizes and glazes. Iron skillet just does a really good job roasting anything. So now that we got our vegetables in there, I'm fixing to grab our garlic cloves. I'm just going to kind of put them around on there, because my oven is set on 400. I'm going to let this roast for probably about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to go in and stir it real good. And then I'll see how tender the vegetables are before I determine how much longer it needs to cook. I'm going to put just a little bit more balsamic vinegar on there. And we're going to take it out to the oven, out on the porch. We're having another warm day today, so I'm cooking outside. And we'll get it in the oven, and we'll check back on it here in just a little bit. Okay, we got it in the oven, 400 degrees. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. Chickens are even going to eat healthy tonight. They're going to get all the scraps. Hi, chickadees. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? You want out? You want out? Huh? Okay. Hey, chickadees. Woo! Scared them. Here, chickadees. Eat the scraps. They're good for you. Good for my eggs, my fresh eggs. Come on. Quit being little silly willies. Just like a bunch of old hens. Come on. Come on. Y'all went out? What happened? What happened to Mama? What happened to Mama? Something got Mama yesterday when we was gone. Never fails. Look at all those feathers. We'll have ducks forever and ever and ever, and all of a sudden you run off and for just a little bit and something will get one. Come on, fellers. Come on out. Come on. Don't be scared. Hey, it's been 30 minutes and my vegetables are looking really good. Good caramelized. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put about a half stick of butter. And I can tell that they're starting to get a little bit tender now. I don't want them mushy. I still like a little bite to them. So I'm just going to put this butter in here. And y'all don't have to put the butter in if you don't want it. And then, here at the last, I'm going to put a sprinkle of lemon thyme out of the garden. It's dried lemon thyme. I like putting it in at the end. Here's my timer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the timer back on for about 10 more minutes. Okay, after about 45 minutes, they're beautiful, caramelized, glazed, roasted, healthy vegetables. Everything feels tender too. So let's take a bite. I am going to get a carrot. Yum. And how about a roasted beet? I love the way that it caramelizes like that. That's delicious. It's got a little bit of crunch to it, but it's tender. And right there's a pear. Yummo. So guys, make you a big old pan with some healthy, good roasted vegetables. It's really easy. Just pop it in your oven, let it do its cooking, and I'm telling you, it is so delicious. And this would be really great, like I said, as a side for Thanksgiving. So I hope y'all like this video. And if you're a veggie eater like we are, y'all need to give this a try. God bless everybody. We love y'all. And like I always say, we'll see y'all in a couple days.